how to boost your immune system naturally and some remedies that improve your immune system. The immune system is the body's defense mechanism to handle invaders. It is our body's second line of defense, after physical barriers like the skin and the mucous membranes. The immune system is located throughout the body and includes the thymus gland, the spleen, bone marrow and a vast network of lymph nodes. It comprises many cells, proteins, tissues and organs. The main function of the immune system is to prevent and fight infections, germs and cancer. It works 24/7 to keep our body healthy and ward off problems. A good immune system is essential for proper functioning of the body. When the immune system becomes impaired, it can cause symptoms like frequent sickness, allergies, fatigue, digestive issues, delayed growth and slow development. Several factors contribute to a low immune function. Some common factors are emotional stress, sleep deprivation, vitamin deficiencies, lack of physical exercise, overexposure to harmful ultraviolet, UV, sun rays, excessive use of antibiotics, exposure to environmental toxins, poor dietary habits and inadequate hygiene. There are a few science-backed approaches you can take to boost your immune system, most of which are recommended for overall wellness. 1. Keep your alcohol intake in check. 2. Reduce your stress levels. 3. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. 4. Load up on vitamin D. 5. Prioritize sleep. 6. Wash your hands often. 7. Keep up with a regular exercise routine. 8. Finally, quit smoking if you haven't already. Adopting certain lifestyle habits can strengthen your immune system. Boosting the immune system is very beneficial and relatively easy through lifestyle changes and some simple home remedies. Lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C, which plays an important role in boosting your immunity. Vitamin C helps the white blood cells function properly so that they can respond quickly to infections. Lemon also aids in removing toxins from the body as well as helping maintaining your body weight. Squeeze the juice from half lemon into a glass of purified, lukewarm water. Add a little honey. Drink it on an empty stomach each morning. Wait 30 minutes, then enjoy your breakfast. Ginger. According to Ayurveda, ginger is a good remedy to boost immunity. The warming effect of ginger on the body helps break down toxins accumulated in the body. This reduces the risk of infection. Ginger also improves blood circulation. Drink ginger tea twice daily to boost immunity. To make the tea, boil 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Strain, add honey and lemon juice and drink it. You can also include dry or fresh ginger in your cooking, or take ginger tablets after consulting your doctor. Garlic. Garlic is a natural immune booster. Its active ingredient lysine helps fight infection and bacteria. In addition, garlic has vitamin C and B6 along with the minerals selenium and manganese that help boost the immune system. Eat 2 to 3 raw cloves of garlic on an empty stomach daily. Also, add crushed garlic to your dishes. Avoid cooking garlic too much as it can destroy its active compounds. Probiotic yogurt. Eating probiotic yogurt every day is one of the best home remedies for low immunity. Probiotic yogurt contains billions of friendly gut organisms, probiotics, that help strengthen your immune system. It aids the development of white blood cells and antibodies, which in turn reduces the incidence and duration of infections. Eat 2 cups of probiotic yogurt with live cultures daily. You can also drink a smoothie made with yogurt and immune-boosting fruits like apples, bananas, blueberries, and strawberries. Almonds. Nuts such as almonds contain vitamin E, a key component for a healthy immune system. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin. It requires fat to be present to be absorbed properly. Regular intake of almonds will boost your immune system and will add to your daily quota of vitamin E. Turmeric. Turmeric has antioxidants that are important for your health as well as immune system. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals and help your immune system function properly. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps improve the orderliness of cell membranes, which makes the cells more resistant to infection. Drink a glass of turmeric milk daily. To make the milk, boil 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in 1 cup of milk, or just add the turmeric in hot milk. Add a little honey and drink it. Also, include turmeric in your cooking. Green tea. Regularly drinking green tea is another simple home remedy to boost immunity. According to a 2011 study by Oregon State University, several beneficial compounds in green tea help increase regulatory T cells in the body that play a key role in immune function and suppression of autoimmune disease. The antioxidants in green tea protect the body from free radical damage, which is essential to keep the immune system running normally. Steep a green tea bag in a cup of hot water for 5 minutes. Remove the tea bag, add honey and drink it. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily. Red bell peppers. Red bell pepper contains more vitamin C than citrus fruits. These are also a rich source of beta-carotene, which boosts your immune system. Bell peppers also keep your skin and eyes healthy. Green leafy vegetables. There are many green leafy vegetables like cabbage, spinach, and broccoli that comes loaded with fiber and nutrients. These vegetables are also loaded with vitamins and antioxidants that can help in boosting the function of the immune system. Vitamin D. According to a 2011 study published in the Journal of Investigative Medicine, vitamin D plays a key role in modulating the innate and adaptive immune responses. A deficiency of vitamin D is associated with increased autoimmunity as well as increased susceptibility to infection. Hence, to boost your immunity, try to maintain the adequate amount of vitamin D in your body. As sunlight triggers the production of vitamin D in the body, expose your body to early morning sunlight for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Also, include foods high in vitamin D, such as fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, organ meats, cheese, egg yolks, some mushrooms and foods fortified with vitamin D. You can also take vitamin D supplements after consulting a doctor. Tips. You can ensure a better immunity by including plenty of servings of colorful fruits and vegetables on your plate. Follow a well-balanced diet with an adequate amount of vitamins A and C, zinc, selenium and iron. Keep a positive outlook toward life. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Get enough sleep to help your body recover. Avoid stress as stress overload suppresses immune function. Quit smoking and avoid second-hand smoke. Drink less alcohol as it impairs the immune system and increases vulnerability to diseases. Wash your hands after using the toilet and before eating to stop the spread of infection. Follow proper oral hygiene. Stay away from people with colds or other infections and avoid crowds. Avoid harmful toxins as they can impair immune function and trigger the formation of cell-damaging free radicals. Ask your doctor about vaccinations. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.